Hi, this is Pankaj Singh here, and in this video I'm gonna give your first funnel review. So guys, here if you're talking about what is your first funnel training or program, what you will get, who is for, right, and how much you have to pay and how you can join, then guys, this video is for you. In this video I'm gonna tell you each and everything about your first funnel program, or you can say your first funnel training, guys, right? So okay, now here without any delay, let me tell you what is your first funnel training, guys. So guys, now here if you go to its official website, then there is a sales video, guys, by Brunson. If you click on that, then you will see that Russell Brunson, he is going to tell you, or you can say he is going to reveal each and everything that what you will get when you join this your first funnel and who is for, right? So yep, if you want to check this video, then yes, you can go and check out this video, guys, right? So here I'm gonna, it's a long video, guys, right? So I'm gonna stop this video, guys, right? So guys, here if you ask me what you will learn if you join this your first funnel, guys, simply, guys, here in this training, it's a 14 days training, guys, right? It's a 14 days live training where there are coaches and they will teach you, including Russell Brunson. He will teach you that how you can start your online business selling your own stuff, whether it's physical or digital, using sales funnel, right? So this is the main thing, guys, right? Or in other words, I would say, if you haven't launched your funnel or your website, then this training is for you, because in this training you are going to learn how to build your sales funnel, or you can say how to build your website, how to build your you can say online business, so that you can sell your own stuff, whether it's physical or digital or any service that you want to sell using sales funnel. So in, you can say, in short, this is what you are going to learn, guys, in this training, guys, in this your first funnel training, guys, right? And yes, this is not for someone who has already launched his website or his funnel, guys. This is not for you. But if you want to launch your funnel, want to launch your website where you want to sell your own stuff, then yes, this is for you. Or if you have already you can say ClickFunnels, but later on you cancel the ClickFunnels because of some reasons, maybe you haven't seen any success using sales funnel, right? Then this is for you, because in this video, in this training, Russell Brunson going to teach you that what you have to do so that you can launch your first funnel, guys, so that you can launch your online business where you are selling your own stuff or your own service, whatever, guys, right? And here it doesn't matter whether you are affiliate marketer or you are e-commerce owner, or you are into supplement, or you are selling any high tickets, right? It is for everybody, guys. It is for everybody, right? If you are selling any digital products, then yes, this is for you. If you are selling any physical products, then yes, this is for you, guys, right? So it's a kind of crash course, guys, right? 14 days crash course where you are going to learn how to start your online business, where you can sell your online product, right? Whether it's physical or digital, guys, it's online crash course, right? And here, guys, it doesn't matter you haven't made any dollar online. It doesn't matter you are not having any resource. It doesn't matter you don't have any tech knowledge, right? It doesn't matter you don't know how to write copy. Everything is taken care in this training, guys, right? Everything you are going to get from Russell Brunson, guys, right? There are coaches, they will teach you, they will hold you accountable, guys, right? There is a Facebook group, right, where you can ask your question. There will be live coaching, guys, right? So there is so many things, guys, right, that you are going to learn in that training, guys, right? So guys, now here what else you will learn, or you can say what else you will get if you join this your first funnel training, guys. So there are bonuses, guys, that you will get. Let me just go to the bottom, guys. Yep. So here, yes, it's a 30 days book, guys. It's a physical book that you will get, guys. It's a physical book that you will get when you join your first funnel, guys. So in this book, guys, there are, you can say, top 30 experts, and they are experts in different niches, like e-commerce, affiliate marketing, blogging, supplements, high ticket coaching, and they have revealed their 30 days plan, that what they will do if they lose everything, right? So they have shared their 30 days blueprint, that yes, on day 1 this is what I will do, on day 2 this is what I will do, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6. So it's 30 days blueprint, 30 days, you can say, steps that you are going to learn from these 30 experts. And these 30 experts are, you can say 6 to 7 figure earner, guys, right? And they have made at least $1 million using their sales funnel, guys, right? So this is what you are going to learn in that book, right? And there is a cookbook, right? So here you are going to learn about that all kind of funnels, like lead funnel, sales funnel, affiliate marketing funnel, e-commerce funnel. So this book is all about this, guys, right? That and it's a physical version that you will get when you join your first funnel training, right? And it's you can say sales funnel, you can say template. So there are templates of sales funnel. It's a 102 plus you can say done for you sales funnel that you will get inside your you can say membership area, right? And there is headline generator. It's a software through which you can generate your headline for your sales funnel or for your landing page, whatever you say, guys, right? So that you will get for free, guys, right? And list building secrets, this is the training that you will get, guys, for free, right? And you know that, guys, building your email list is very important, guys, in our online business, right? And yes, you will also get 30 days free trial of ClickFunnels, guys. This is great, guys. Like if you go to their official website, then you will find there is 14 days trial. But if you go with this training, then you will get ClickFunnels for 30 days, right? Or you can say 30 days free trial you will get, guys, when you go with this training. 30 days book. Yeah, you can see. Let me show you where it is written. Yes, you can see. Can see that ClickFunnels 30 day free trial you will get, right? And yes, you will also get t-shirt, guys. So whatever your size, you will, according to your size, you will get t-shirts, right? When you join this your first funnel training, right? And yes, you will get private collection of Tony Robbins training that you will get, and there is another training that you will get. You can see that, guys, right? These are the trainings that you will get. Third building training that you will get, it is from Dan Kennedy, guys, and you know that, guys, he is the guru of online business, right? So, and he is also guru of Russell Brunson, guys, right? So this is what you are going to get, guys. Yeah, you can see t-shirt, right? And you can see its value is $8,745, guys, and you are going to get all these for free when you join your first funnel training, guys. And for that, what you have to do, guys, all you have to pay shipping and handling charges, and it's $29.95, guys, that you have to pay, guys, right? By the way, this training is free, but for getting physical book, cookbook, and t-shirts and everything, you have to pay these shipping charges, guys, right? And when you decide, yes, I'm gonna join this training, then all you need to do, you need to click on this button, right? And there will be a pop-up button where you need to submit your email address, right? And then when you submit your email address, then there will be next page, and there you have to submit your name, email address, then your t-shirt size, whether it's a small, large or XL, whatever, guys. Select that, then hit the button next, and then on the next page there will be a payment option, right? So submit your payment details and you are ready to go, guys, right? And yes, down below there is a link of this training, guys, right? If this is my affiliate link, so if you join this training using my link, then yes, definitely I will make commission, guys, right? And yes, if you join this training using my link, I will give you my personal 1-hour coaching, guys, right? So yep, if you are thinking to join this training, then yes, down below I have put the link, you can go and check out, guys, right? So yes, guys, this is all about for today, right? And yes, if you have any questions, you can ask your question. I will try my level best to answer you, guys, right? And yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then yes, go and subscribe to my channel, guys, right? Down below there is a red button, guys, right? So thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Have a nice day. Bye bye, guys.